Hello everyone. Let's understand how to multiply mixed numbers. Mixed number is a combination of a whole number and a proper fraction. In order to multiply mixed numbers, we first need to convert mixed numbers to an improper fraction. Let's take the first example. 2 1 over 3 times 2 2 over 4. Now 2 is a whole number, 1 over 3 is a proper fraction. Let's convert it into an improper fraction first. We will multiply whole number with the denominator. So in this case, whole number is 2, denominator is 3. 2 times 3 is 6. Add the product with the numerator. So 6 plus 1 is 7. Numerator would be 7. Keep the denominator same, which is 3. So 2 1 over 3 has been converted to improper fraction, which is 7 over 3. Do the same with the next fraction as well. Multiply the whole number with the denominator. 2 times 4 is 8, plus 2, which is 10. Keep the denominator same, which is 4. Step 2, simplify by dividing the numerator and the denominator by the common factor. Now let's see if there is any common factor between the numerators and the denominators. 7 and 3 do not have a common factor. 10 and 4, they have a common factor, which is 2. So 10 divided by 2 is 5. 4 divided by 2 is 2. There is no more common factor, so I'm going to multiply the numerators. 7 times 5. Multiply the denominators. 3 times 2. So 7 times 5 is 35. 3 times 2 is 6. Now 35 over 6 is an improper fraction. We need to convert it into a mixed number. So that would be 6 times 5 is 30. 5 remainder over 6. So this will be 5 over 6. To learn more on how to convert mixed numbers to an improper fraction and vice versa, there is a video link in the description below that explains how to convert mixed numbers to an improper fraction and improper fraction to mixed numbers. Let's take another example. 1 4 over 5 times 2 1 over 12. Now we have to follow the same steps, convert the mixed numbers into improper fraction. So to do that, multiply the whole number with the denominator first. We will multiply 1 times 5. Add the product with the numerator, which is 4. So 5 plus 4 is 9. Keep the denominator same, which is 5 times. Do the same steps. Multiply the whole number with the denominator. 2 times 12 is 24. Add the product with the numerator. 24 plus 1, 25 over 12. Now let's figure out if there is any common factor between the numerator and the denominator. So 9 and 5 do not have a common factor. 25 and 12 do not have a common factor. Now that we have identified that there is no common factor between the numerator and denominator of the same fraction, let's see if there is a common factor between the numerator of one fraction and the denominator of another fraction. That ways we can cross cancel. Cross cancel means we can cancel the numerator of one fraction with the denominator of another fraction if they have a common factor. So now 25 and 5 have a common factor, which is 5. 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times 5 is 25. Similarly, 9 and 12 have a common factor, 3. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 4 is 12. There is no more common factor, so let's multiply the numerators. 3 times 5. Denominators are 1 times 4. So 3 times 5 is 15. 1 times 4 is 4. Now 15 over 4, it's an improper fraction. We have to convert it into a mixed number. So 4 times 3 is 12. 3 over 4. This is my final answer. Now if you want, you can pause the video and try next two by yourself. Alright, so let's take the next one. Same steps, multiply the whole number with the denominator. So we will multiply 3 times 3, which is 9. Add the product with the numerator. So 9 plus 2 is 11. 11 over 3 times 1 times 2 is 2 plus 1, 3. Keep the denominator same, which is 2. Let's figure out if there is a common factor. We can even check the numerator and denominator of all the given fractions. In this case, 3 and 3 have a common factor, which is 3. So 3 divided by 3 is 1. 3 divided by 3 is 1. Numerators are 11 times 1. Denominators, we will multiply 1 times 2. The answer is 11 over 2. Now this is an improper fraction. We need to convert it into a mix. So this will be 2 times 5 is 10, remainder 1 over 2. I hope you got this correct. Let's take one more example. 3 1 over 3 times 1 4 over 10. So same steps. Multiply the whole number with the denominator. 3 times 3 is 9 plus 1 10 over 3 times 1 times 10 is 10 plus 4 14 over 10. We can straight away cross cancel. 10 divided by 10 is 1. 10 divided by 10 is 1. The numerators are now 1 times 14 and 3 times 1, which is 14 over 3. Now this is an improper fraction. We will convert it into mix. So 3 times 4 is 12, remainder 2 over 3. So 4 2 over 3 is my final answer. I hope this video helps you to understand how to multiply mixed numbers. Thank you for watching, and if you want to watch more such videos, please subscribe to my channel Key to Math.